A jack is an important emergency item to have in your vehicle, but also a necessity when working on a vehicle in a workshop. Builders have a wide range of jacks available, from scissor jacks to hydraulic bottle jacks and trolley jacks, allowing you to lift a wheel in an emergency or the whole side of a car in the workshop. Now these jacks vary in lifting capacity to suit your needs, and they're very easy to use. The scissor jack simply uses a turn handle to raise the jack, and these hydraulic jacks use a pumping motion to move oil in the reservoir, lifting your vehicle with the ram. Then simply loosen the release valve to lower them. These hydraulic bottle and trolley jacks are also very stable with a large base. And don't forget, when you lift a vehicle for extended periods, you need a jack stand to safely hold it. These stands have extendable ratchet bars, a strong locking handle, and a sturdy base with a holding capacity of 2,000 kgs. So for a range of jacks and stands available at Builders, visit in store or shop online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, visit the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.